Hi, welcome to Amsterdam. Today I'm taking you to the west part of Amsterdam, towards Haarlem. We start at the Brouwersgracht, one of the prettiest canals of Amsterdam. Actually, it was voted the most beautiful street in 2007. Maybe that's not a fair vote though, because you can vote for your own street, and the Brouwersgracht is very long. This is where the canal district started, in 1613. On our left is the very north of the Jordaan district. There are a lot of classic warehouses here. You can see the marker stones and the deer sculptures at the top. They're used as a dressing. This is the Bullebak Sluis. There's a legend that there's a man-eating monster under this bridge. Here we leave the 17th century city. We now go to the Haarlemmer Vaart. This leads all the way to Haarlem, over 10 miles away. On our right, it's the Westerpark, my favorite park in town. It has some nice restaurants, the Tony Chocolonely shop, and an open-air music venue. I hope to welcome you soon for a canal tour, where you can see this and many other parts of town. Ahoy!